more lip than I thought. I've got my camera on Aaron's bike up there. He's bobbing out on the ground. Got John, Rhea, and John's girlfriend. Gonna have our own dedicated Grom cam. I love this, it's fun. They got such an aggressive looking helmet for such a small bike. I'm gonna have fun today. I'm trying to do wheelies. I've been reliably doing power wheelies for a minute now. I want to try clutch ups, but I'm still getting used to how it feels coming back down, even though it's aggressive, because I'm doing power wheelies instead of like clutch ups, but you know. Going that way, buddy. Ross is out here goofing around right now. It's the best. Ah, you bitch. So I know Harley guys can have fun and all that stuff like sport bike guys do, like we have, but I don't think I've ever seen a group of Harleys do the same shit that a group of sport bike guys have done. You know, they don't really kill switch each other, do all that fun stuff. Oh, he's getting it. Yeah. But yeah, no, if you want to see what comes off of that camera and I don't get to get it on YouTube like I want, definitely check out my TikTok. It's linked below. A lot of people say I post thirst traps and stuff like that. I never intended them to be that way. I thought they were funny. But you know, some people are just, they have weird things that they like. He hit the limiter, oh my god! There's another bike behind, it's just a random dude. I feel like we're holding him up. Oh well though, that's his problem, not ours. He can go around any time in the right lane. Because we gonna need this lane, and I don't think he wants to fight to get that Grom back over. that, but I think I got you. Front tire out. I think he was asking if I did a wheelie or not. Huh?
Both your wheels lifted, you jumped your bike.
Really?
Yeah, wait.
Fuck, alright, I thought it was just the one wheel. Shit! Oh, it's fun hanging out with these guys. Wish we could do it more often, but we all work a lot. And we're here. Oh, goodness. So apparently at that intersection with the whoopties, apparently I jumped.
So when we crossed the fucking track, the highway, this boy left the ground. Which one?
When we crossed, yeah, crossing Seaway or whatever.
Oh really?
Yeah, I fucking jumped that shit.
Left the fucking all you heard was yin, and all you see is yin. He left the ground. 100%. That is great.
Ow, my balls, man. Race car! Race car! Another one! We lost Aaron! Aaron! Ah! Okay, I got my fill in.